Well, I hope for its sake that it is, but I guess it's okay. Let's take a look at the statements and see what they tell us about what x is. So statement 1 tells us that 8x is greater than 7x. There's not really anything that we can do in terms of multiplying or dividing here. I mean, if we divide by x, we get 8 is greater than 7, but that doesn't really tell us anything. Instead, it's about the properties of numbers. 8 times a number is greater than 7 times a number always, as long as that number is positive. So basically, statement 1 is telling us that x is positive, which is sufficient to tell us yes. So we can cross off 2 on its own, as well as the ones that rely on them both being insufficient. Statement 2 tells us that x minus 2 is negative. So if, for example, x equals 10, x minus 2 will equal 8. And why did I do that? I need x minus 2 to be negative. So let's say x is 1. X minus 2 is negative. So yes, x is a positive number. We could also say, though, that x is negative 10. X minus 2 is going to equal negative 12. So no, x is not a positive number. So statement 2 is a sometimes yes, sometimes no, depending on what you pick for x. So statement 2 is not sufficient. We can eliminate D and select A as our answer.